Hi, welcome to KSTECH Solutions. Today's tutorial is on Telegram. What is Telegram? Who are the founders of Telegram? When was Telegram formed? When was it officially released? Where is the headquarters of Telegram? And how to install Telegram on your phone. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to our channel to get yourself updated with new videos and new tutorials. Telegram is one of the social media platforms that we use to share information, files, and text from one person to the other. With IT experts, most will define Telegram as a cloud-based instant messaging and a voice over IP service, which means that with Telegram, applications, services, and resources are made available to users on demand via internet from a cloud computer provider service. Telegram was founded in the year 2013 in the month of March by two Russian brothers, that is Nikolai Daruf and Pavel Daruf. Telegram was then officially released on 14th of August 2013. The headquarters of Telegram is found in Berlin, that is Germany. Currently, Telegram has over 200 million active users on their platform on a monthly basis. With Telegram, you can share a file that is up to 1.2 gigabyte in size, which means you can share videos up to 1 gig in size. You can share apps or application that is over 1 gig in size from one person to the other. With Telegram, you have the opportunity to always edit a message you send to someone after it has been sent within 48 hours. Now, how to install Telegram on your phone. Telegram can be installed on desktop computers, on Mac computers, on Linux, Windows phones, Android phones, and Internet Operating System phones, that is iPhone. Okay, if you want to know the full meaning of iOS, that is Internet Operating System. The phone I'm using currently runs on Android operating system. So that is what we are going to use. If you use iPhone, you go to your App Store and you can equally follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to make sure you have enough data or enough internet bundle on your phone. Then you get yourself connected to the strongest internet available. If you have a strong Wi-Fi, you get yourself connected to the strongest Wi-Fi available. Now, you simply locate your Google Play Store. As I said, I'm using an Android phone that runs on Android operating system. If you are using iPhone, you need to go to your App Store. So if you go to your Play Store, you launch it, you click on it, you launch it. Then in the search section, you type in Telegram, that is Telegram. Okay, then you click on the search icon or the magnification lens, okay, the lens holder, you click on it, then it loads. Now you have Telegram appearing, okay, you see the logo of Telegram, okay, then you click on install. When you click on install, you wait for it to install. Whilst we are waiting, please remember to subscribe to our channel for more updates and also click on the notification icon to always get yourself notified. Our app is installing or is downloading, okay? So after downloading, it will install. Some years ago, you were supposed to download most of the apps on Google Play Store. After downloading, you now install manually, but now because of improvement in IT or improvement of technology, whenever most of the apps are downloaded on Apple or Google Play Store, it's installed by itself. So let's wait and see how this one will be installed. So it's now installed. Like I said, some years ago, you were supposed to do the installation manually, but now it's automatic. That is with App Store applications or Google Play Store applications. There will be other tutorials that will be installing apps not from App Store but in a different website. Okay, in those cases, the installation will be done manually. So okay, this one accessory website or accessory application on my phone. Okay, that help to clear certain information and also scan for bugs. When we say bugs, that is viruses. Good. So now we have our Telegram installed on our phone. So you simply click on this open icon. Okay, or if you want, you can close it here. When you click on the home button, it closes. Okay, you cancel this. Then you look for Telegram. Okay, so here's my Telegram. Then you click on the Telegram logo. Okay, on your phone or on your window. When you click on the logo, it opens this way. Now, when it opens, this is what you see. Telegram, the world's fastest messaging app. It is free and secure. Then you click on Start Messaging. Okay, you click on that one. Now, this is where it brings you. So, Telegram, please allow Telegram to receive calls so that you can automatically confirm your phone number. So, before you can use Telegram, just like WhatsApp does it, you have to allow your what? Your phone to receive a call before you can be automatically confirmed to use your number. So let's click on OK. Then here we have our code here. That is Ghana +233. Okay, Nigeria is +234. Other countries have their code. So we are currently, I'm in Ghana. Okay, we're in Ghana, so we are using Ghana code. That is +233. Now it asks us allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls. You have to click on allow. Then you type in your phone number. Okay, just like WhatsApp does it. That is those who use WhatsApp. We are going to use the same procedure to get Telegram installed on our device. So let me put in my number. My number is a Vodafone line, so 050. Okay, so because of the +233, I won't bring the first zero. I only start with the second number. Okay, so 050. Okay, 5664456. After putting in your number, you click on this icon. Okay, the arrow icon that moves to the right side of the screen. Now remember that I said because of the country code, you can decide to ignore the first digit, that is the first zero. So you click on the arrow, so it asks you please allow Telegram to read the call log so that we can automatically enter your code for you. If you want Telegram to enter your code for you, you click on OK. If you don't want them to enter your code, you want to enter the code automatically, you just ignore. So I want them to enter the code automatically for me. So I click on OK. So let's wait whilst it's load. So timeout. So let's try again. So you see Telegram is calling me +15755863153. When you see the call coming, please don't cut it. Okay, allow it to what? To finish belling. So good. So it brings us here and just look at what will happen. It is calling again. Okay, +447418342 549. Okay, please don't pick the call. Allow it to bell till end. So it has finished belling. Okay. 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 So it's still reading. The date are still reading. Okay. So we have 40 seconds left. Just exercise patience. Well, there is one thing with Vodafone. Sometimes the messaging service keeps long as compared to MTN. That is what I have noticed. Okay, that is what I've noticed in Ghana. Exercise a bit patient. So it's 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So this is the code 34700. Okay, 34700. In some cases, if you don't pick the call, it will put in the code automatically for you. Okay, but remember I said in Ghana usually with the Vodafone SMS service is very slow as compared to MTN. So sometimes you might not get the opportunity, but it's very simple. Okay, this one, if they give you the code, you just key in the code inside. Okay, so 34700. Then you click on submit. It goes. Now it opens and it brings you here. So you write your first name. Okay, enter your name and add a profile picture. So let's write our first name. Okay, so in this case I'm going to write Kofi, and the last name is optional. Okay, I can leave down. Then you add a profile picture. So I can add a profile picture if I want. Okay, so I'll click on the arrow. Let me start again. You click on the arrow. Okay, when you click on it, it comes this way. If you want to take it, the picture, you click on take a photo. If you want to upload it from your gallery or from your pictures, you click on upload from gallery. So I want to just snap a new picture, so I click on take photo. Then it asks me allow Telegram to take pictures and record video. So I'll click on allow. So I have allowed them. Good. So after allowing, when you click on it, it opens this. Okay, so I'm now taking the picture. So you click on the correct mark. So it loads. Good. So it has come here. So from here, you click on this arrow pointing to the right side of your screen. So now you are officially on Telegram now. Okay, so welcome to Telegram. So thank you guys for your time. I know it has been a number of minutes that you've spent with us. We are very grateful, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel if you've not, and please like and share our videos to other colleagues. Also, there will be next videos on how to start messaging and how to even do other things with Telegram. So please don't forget to search out for those videos. Thank you and have a nice time. Bye bye.